Justin Bieber, we should make out in the bedroom. That's fucking sexy. Oh my god. And have Zac Efron come with you. I just want to make out with him in the bedroom. It's so fucking sexy if I do. I just want to make out with Justin Bieber in the bedroom. Hello, this is my favorite song by Justin Bieber. He has such a great voice. Oh my god, we should make out in the bed, Justin Bieber. You're so fucking sexy. Well, Justin Bieber, I don't know if you're so good enough in the bedroom. Well, Justin Bieber, if you want me so bad, why don't you show me, like, how much you want me so bad? Oh my god, why are you talking to me like that? Oh really god. See my little abs? Oh my god, look at it. It's so fucking sexy. Oh, Justin Bieber, we should make out every bed in the bedroom. Oh my god, that's so fucking sexy. Let's kiss, let's make out, let's have sex together.